I once had a friend who spent more time copying notes than reading her books. The funny thing is that we called her Amina the writer. My name is Leba Favor. Our app is centered on solving the problem of lack of educational resources. The lack of educational resources in Nigeria is a complex issue that requires a motivated approach to resolve. This problem is extremely detrimental to students and the teachers instructing in class. According to Oyita and Olumokora 2012, the absence of educational resources can lead to decrease in the quality of education, as textbooks are crucial resources in learning aspects. A study on the factors affecting the shortage of textbooks identified inadequate funding, poor distribution, and lack of infrastructure. The Nigerian government's efforts to provide universal-based education have been hindered by the lack of instructional materials, including textbooks. Not only does this problem affect students, but it also affects their parents and teachers. A 2020 report from the UNICEF says that 67% of students lack basic access to educational resources. Students can spend many of their school hours copying content from the blackboard, which severely reduces time for engaged learning. Lucky for all of us, there's a solution. Scholar Hub is the solution.
Many students in Nigeria lack access to educational resources, hindering their ability to learn and succeed academically. To tackle this problem, we choose to work on SG4, which is quality education. Looking at how the lack of educational resources has affected us in varying degrees, I and my team decided to design an app called Scholar Hub to solve this problem. Our solution involves the development of an app that aims to bridge the gap in access to educational resources, promoting equal opportunities for all students to learn and succeed.
My name is Ahmed Talib Kamila. Scholar Hub is an app designed for students to gain access to educational resources. It creates and utilizes a diverse collection of textbooks from various regions and enables users to monitor their reading mode. Users can go back to read textbooks from offline pages. Scholar Hub has some unique features such as advanced search functionality, comprehensive library, glossary and definitions, initiative navigations, visual appeal, discussion forum, quizzes and assessments, filter by language and offline reading mode. It's an app with an initiative navigation, with a clean and user-friendly interface, with easy to understand.
Good day everyone, my name is Abdulakim Alia. The reason why Scholar Hub is better than those that try to solve the same problem is the uniqueness of our app, which are the features. They include 1. Advanced search functionality. This enables users to search for a specific term or topic. 2. Glossary and definition. This provides in-app definition for unfamiliar terms. 3. Quizzes and assessment. This is an interactive feature that helps reinforce learning. 4. Discussion forum. This is a space where you can discuss topics, ask questions, and share insights. 5. Visual appeal. This feature offers attractive visual, typographic, and color scheme to enhance users' experience. 6. Filter by language. Allow users to select their preferred language of textbook. Library. This established e-book library providing students with a vast digital connection of educational material.
And with all that has been said, download our app Scholar Hub to help scholars learn and succeed academically.